In this video, we will solve two absolute value equation problem. This is the first problem that we will solve, and the second one will be this. Very similar. So let's do the first one. So we want to solve for x. So instead of writing it like this, we could say 5 minus 4x is equal to 20, or 5 minus 4x is equal to minus 20. And we can say this because if this right here was negative 20, the absolute value of negative 20 is 20. The absolute value of 20 is also 20. That's why these two statements will make sense. Because if this right here is negative 20, the absolute value of negative 20 is 20. And so that's why these two can work. And so let's solve for x. So we can say negative 4x is equal to 15. 20 minus 5 is 15. And now we can divide by negative 4. So we would get x is equal to negative 15 divided by 4. And so this would be one possible answer for x. And now we'll solve this one. So minus 4x is equal to minus 25. X is equal to 25 over 4. And so this is the other possible answer. And if we wanted to try it, if we plug this value for x, we would get 20. So 5 minus 4 times negative 15 divided by 4 would be 5 plus 15, which is 20. Now we'll do this one. So 5 minus 4 times 25 over 4 would be 5 minus 25. 5 minus 25 is minus 20, but we have the absolute value. So the absolute value of minus 20 is 20. And so they're both correct. And now we will solve the second problem. So it's almost the same thing. So before we do the absolute value, we say the absolute value of 3x plus 4 is equal to 14. I subtracted by negative 6 here. I subtracted by negative 6 here. And now we'll do that absolute value rule, where we say 3x plus 4 is equal to 14, or 3x plus 4 is equal to minus 14. Because if this right here was minus 14, it would be 14, because the absolute value of minus 14 is in fact 14. And so now we solve for x, very much like the first problem that we did. So 3x is equal to 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. And so we could say x is equal to 10 over 3. And so this is one possible answer for x. And now we will get the second answer. So 3x is equal to minus 18. Negative 14 minus 4 is negative 18. So we would get x is equal to minus 6. So the other possible answer. So that's all we need to do to solve for absolute value equations.